In this video, you'll learn how to set up Clawdbot on a Windows computer. This guide provides step-by-step instructions to ensure a smooth installation process. Begin by locating the search bar on your Windows desktop. You can find it typically at the bottom left corner of your screen next to the Start menu. Once you see the search bar, click on it to activate it. Next, type Windows PowerShell into the search bar. As you type, suggestions will appear above the search bar in the results list. After that, right-click on the Windows PowerShell option. This action will open a context menu with several options for you to choose from. Click on Run as Administrator from the context menu. If prompted by a user account control dialog, confirm that you want to allow this app to make changes to your device. This is necessary for administrative permissions to run Clawdbot. Once Windows PowerShell opens, you will see a black window with a blinking cursor. At this point, you are ready to proceed with the installation commands. Type in OpenClaw at the PowerShell prompt. Ensure that you spell it accurately, as any mistakes may lead to errors during the installation process. Wait for the system to process your command. During this time, you may see various messages indicating that the system is preparing to run the necessary commands. After processing, various commands will appear on your screen. This confirms that the system has recognized the command and is preparing the setup for Clawdbot. Now, find the setup command within the displayed options. Look for instructions or prompts that indicate the setup process for Clawdbot. Type in OpenClaw setup at the prompt. This command initiates the setup process required to configure Clawdbot on your system. Wait for the setup to load. This may take a moment, depending on your system's performance and specifications. Be patient as the setup process continues. Once the setup is complete, Clawdbot will create a workspace and session for you to start working. This workspace is essential for managing and utilizing Clawdbot effectively. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.